Hey guys, Chef Elyse here. Just wanting to give you guys some tips on how to boost your energy through this crazy time. So one of my favorite snacks is chia seed pudding. We're going to mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 1 cup of coconut milk, and then we're going to flavor it as we please. So I've just mixed our chia seeds and our coconut milk. It's super liquidy. Super liquidy. You have to at least let them soak for about 4 hours overnight, preferred. So I've had some soaking overnight and it's already become nice and thick and almost like mini tapioca. So I flavored the one overnight with some lemon and lime zest, just super simple. But if you're craving a little sweetness, you can add honey or agave or even a little pure maple syrup. And I think with the one that I've just mixed, we're going to add in a little cocoa maca powder. So maca has the same properties as turmeric, so it's super good for healing and keeping a healthy respiratory system. And the cacao powder is super loaded with antioxidants, just like dark chocolate. So we're going to add about half a tablespoon in. And now we sort of have a nice sort of creamy, chocolatey flavored chia, and it's going to get nice and thick like a pudding. And if you're not too big of a fan of the texture, then you can always blend them up into your smoothie after you've soaked them. Soaking is super important. And also you can add them into your coffee or your tea or even your lemonade, anything you want. It's just going to give you a nice boost of energy. So I've also done just a quick show. I made some matcha green tea this morning. And you can kind of see them blooming up. This is just going to give you that extra healthy boost you need. So guys, stay healthy and keep up that energy. We'll get through this. Have a great day.